Welcome to the virtual tutor series on core mathematics for senior high schools. This is the introductory part of the series of lessons on plane geometry. By the end of this topic, you should be able to calculate the angles at a point, state and use the properties of parallel lines, state and use the exterior angle theorem of triangles, identify various properties of special triangles, and state the properties of quadrilaterals. By way of structure, we will cover the following in separate lessons. We'll first introduce the topic, highlighting definition of some key terms and concepts, as well as some examples of plane figures. Afterwards, we will present detailed lessons on types of angles, relationships between angles, angle properties of parallel lines, angle properties of a triangle, properties of special triangles, angle properties of a quadrilateral, and properties of special quadrilaterals. Finally, we will solve ample past SSSCE and WASSCE questions on plane geometry in order to expose you to the various question types and how best you can handle similar questions in any examination. Kindly take your book and pen as you follow along. For a better understanding of the topic, let's take a look at the definition of some key terms and concepts. Plane geometry is from the Latin word planus, which means flat or level, and the Greek word geometria, which means measurement of earth or land. Plane geometry, therefore, is the study of figures on a flat or two-dimensional surface. It focuses on points, lines, angles, and 2D shapes like triangles, quadrilaterals, and pentagons, among others. In this topic, we will focus mainly on determining the size of angles, finding the relationship between angles, as well as identifying the properties of parallel lines and plane shapes such as triangles and quadrilaterals. Calculations of the number of sides, length of sides, and sum of angles of plane shapes will be covered in a separate topic, namely Pythagoras theorem and polygons. Since we'll be spending a whole lot of time finding the sizes of angles, let's quickly take a look at what an angle really is and how it can be measured. An angle is the figure formed by two lines sharing a common endpoint. So if we have this point here with a line ending at this point and another line meeting the first line at the same point, then this gap is an angle. These two lines are known as the sides of the angle, and the common endpoint is called the vertex of the angle. An angle is measured with an instrument called a protractor. Well done. This should suffice for the introductory part of plane geometry. In our next lesson, we will have a review of the various types of angles. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, share, and leave your comments in the comment section below. You may also consider subscribing to the TVTL's YouTube channel in order to receive notification on educational videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video lessons.